Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to generate a BIP-85 child seed on a COLDCARD and use it with Cake Wallet. BIP-85 is a powerful example of how Bitcoin standards let different tools work together and why BIP-85 is one of COLDCARD's most underrated features. On the COLDCARD, head to the Advanced menu and select Derive Seed BIP-85. From there, you can generate a new child seed phrase that's deterministically derived from your COLDCARD's master seed. In this example, I'm generating a 24-word seed phrase. This child seed is completely independent and it has its own wallet and addresses. But because it's derived using BIP-85, it can always be regenerated from the same master seed on your COLDCARD. Next, I'll open Cake Wallet and choose to restore a wallet from an existing seed phrase. I'll enter the 24 words generated by the COLDCARD and let Cake Wallet import them. And that's it. Cake Wallet is now using a wallet whose seed phrase originated entirely offline. To learn more about BIP-85 and other COLDCARD features, visit COLDCARD.com.